Hello everyone, and thank you for tuning in. My name is Culture, and today I'm going to be showing you another eyelash hack. This has nothing to do with eyelash extensions or anything. We are just going to be using strip lashes and regular glue. I'm going to be using duo glue, but you can use any type of regular eyelash glue that you have. Make sure you have some tweezers on hand and then some strip eyelashes or some individual lashes that you have. I prefer the strip lashes because I have a ton of them, and all I do is cut them down to about 3 or 4 different pieces. I'll show you here what they look like. And you're going to use the individual pieces that you cut down to glue not on top of your natural lash line, but underneath your natural lash line. I just recently started doing this, and I've been doing it every time I wear lashes now, just for a little bit of glam. I know that we are all home right now, staying in isolation, quarantine, but I still like to get ready because I feel like when I look good, I feel good, and it makes me ready for the day. So let's get on with it. I take my tweezers and I take one of my lashes that I've cut down right here, and I hold the tweezer just like this. So if you can look here and try to figure it out, I hold it so that when I place it, the top of the lash, when I turn my hand, the top of the lash is right here, so that when I go to put it on, I don't have to move my hand any weird way. It's perfectly positioned like this, and I can place it underneath my natural lash line. So it's important like this because I'm gonna hold it in the tweezers like this and put the glue on it, and then that way it's already set. I don't have to touch the eyelash at all, get glue on my fingers, and that way I can just turn the tweezers, still holding onto the lash, and put it underneath. So here I am taking my eyelash glue. So here's the top of the lash, and I'm going to place the glue right on top of the strip part of the lashes. Just a little bit of glue, just a little bit, just like that. And this is the dark version of the duo glue, so it's gonna dry dark. And because this is regular eyelash glue, you should wait till it's a little bit tacky. So if you're impatient like me, I like to blow on it a couple times. When I breathe in, I hold the eyelash away from me so I'm not inhaling the fumes of the glue. Once I feel like it's a little bit tacky, this is what I like to do. I don't just place it underneath my eyelash. I like to push it underneath my eyelash and then sweep a little bit of the glue along the lashes, my natural lashes, so that it covers my eyelash a little bit, and then I'll go ahead and stick it on. Just like this, sweeping the glue a little bit along my natural lashes. A little bit more space to latch onto, and then I will stick it on. I don't attach it to the inner, what is it, waterline? I put it just right underneath my lash line, right there, and it sticks. And it stays. Moving on to the next piece. Again, sweeping it under my natural lashes so the glue gets on my natural lashes as well. Just a couple times, and then I go to stick it on. Hold it there for a couple of seconds. A little bit on my natural lashes. If you do end up getting it on your inner lid, you want to wipe that off. You do not want it there. I do have a little bit of eyeliner lining the top of my eyelid right there, so that's why it's dark. It's not glue. All right. And there you have it. There's one eye. These stay on all day, and they're really comfortable. If I have lashes that I don't want to cut down, like my lily lashes, I just would like to keep those in a full strip lash. I use the method that I recorded earlier a couple weeks ago, where I put the eyelash glue right on my eyelid and then put it on. So if you haven't watched that video, be sure to check that out because that technique is amazing. So this is a new technique that I've been using every time I have my cut down lashes to put on. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side now. And now this is the last piece. So once again, I'm holding it like this to put the glue on top, so that way I grab it so that I can put the lashes on without actually touching the eyelash or the eyelash glue. And that's it. So So my number one tip for comfort is to make sure they are not sitting on your, I guess your top waterline is what you would call it, that it's actually sitting just at the base of your lashes. And when you put the glue on the rest of your natural lashes, it'll adhere to the lash and it'll stay better. I love this technique. It looks so pretty, natural. And if you have really good lashes that aren't gonna fall apart once you cut them, you can reuse them over and over and over again, as long as you take off the excess glue that's been on there from before. And also to remove them, I would be extra careful when you are removing them because again, they are not adhering to your skin. Whereas putting the lashes on top, you put the glue on your skin and then you can pull off the fake lashes without worrying about your natural lashes. Since these are adhering to your natural lashes, I take a Q-tip, I soak it in water, or if you want to use eye makeup remover, you can, but I just use water. And all I do is take the Q-tip, run it along the top, making sure that it's kind of drenched, and then waiting for that to kind of soften the eyelash glue, because it will soften the eyelash glue. It's not like eyelash extension glue at all. You don't have to wait for it to dissolve or anything. And after about 2 minutes, I just pull them right off, and it's really easy to do. If I feel like they don't come off, I take a little bit more water onto the Q-tip, put it on top, and then wait for the glue to soften, and then you can pull them off. I take off the excess glue, put them on the side of my vanity, and then I use them the very next day. If you guys use this technique, let me know down below how it works out for you. If you have any questions at all, let me know and I'll answer them for you. And if you haven't watched my last video, I posted a Q&A answering all of your questions about DIY at-home eyelash extensions using eyelash extension glue, or the one that I use is Lash Tight by Ardell. If you want to watch that video, I answer all the questions I've ever had in the last few years about eyelash extensions that you do at home. I honestly thought I would be filming way more videos during this quarantine, but it's been a little bit hard. Emotions have been high and low. People that we know personally that have been affected by COVID-19. So it has been a little bit hard to get, on camera, not feel kind of overtaken with my emotions. So I'm here today filming. I'm going to try and film more often. This is my creative outlet and I really, really enjoy it. So show me some love, give me a thumbs up, and I hope you guys are staying safe. I will see you guys next time. Bye. I was kissing you with my eyes open, but you said